We're back at St. Michael's Mount, another kind of breezy day, but hopefully you can hear this one a little bit better. You can see the tide's pretty low right now, so you can walk across the causeway, which is just there. It's kind of hidden, but if you come when the tide is high, you can see all the little boats in here, and I believe as of 2022 it's about £2.50 to cross. And you can book that on your phone, or you can book it once you get here if you want to stay longer than the tide allows. Just keep that in mind. If you do stay too long, you won't be able to cross by foot. Here's just some cool, we're up in the castle right now. You can just see the cool kind of view here. Lots of fortifications. There's a family that still lives here, so you can only see a portion of it, but very cool. They have some old weapons, they have a piece of Napoleon's coat, all sorts of neat stuff. There's a lot of steps to get here, so if you're mobility impaired, you won't be able to bring a wheelchair or anything like that up. It's a lot of steps. I mean, there's a lot of places to take breaks, but a lot of steps. Obviously, an amazing view here. There's also gardens on the island, and not on this side, but on the other side, but lots of cool gardens you can walk through. And then down kind of behind these trees here, there's a town where they have just shops and cafes and stuff. So a very neat place to visit. If you're part of National Trust, you can get in for free, or Royal Oaks Foundation is also free. If you're in the US, you can join that and get into the National Trust properties. The car park is not included as National Trust, but it's about £1 per hour to park. So this is just kind of a quick overview to see St. Michael's Mount.